Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove vendor name on Shopify. So first of all, we will be in Shopify dashboard, and on the left side down below you can see there is option of online stores. So just click on that, and beneath that you can see there is an option of themes. So we will click on this, and on the right side there is our theme page and there is an option of customize. So we will click on this, and we will wait for a few seconds to load the page. And on the top section we have to select, and we have to go there and select home page, and after that we have to go to the collections, and we will wait for the load of collection page. Now on the left side we will click on product grid. Then you can see here an option that is show vendor, that is checkmark, and here we have to disable this, right? So we will remove this check mark, and in this way we can remove the vendor name from our Shopify store. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really easy and helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.